How to fix F3 error on Daikin air conditioner. Causes, troubleshooting guide. Common causes of F3 error: blown or failing discharge type, thermistor, sensor, is broken, miswired, or open, shorted. High discharge pipe temperature, too little refrigerant, undercharge, restricted refrigerant flow, e.g., clog, kink, dirty filter. Blocked airflow, dirty indoor filter, or coils. Heat buildup triggers the fault. Wiring or electrical issues, loose connectors. Miswiring to sensor or PCB. Valves, F3 fault. Fix 1. Power cycle reset. Step 1. Turn off the indoor and outdoor units via remote or manual switch. Step 2. Switch off the main circuit breaker and wait 5 minutes. Step 3. Turn power back on and restart the AC. Fix 2. Clean, replace air filter. Step 1. Open indoor unit, remove air filter. Step 2. Wash or replace it if dirty. Step 3. Ensure airflow vents are open and fan is functioning. Fix 3. Check thermistor. Discharge pipe sensor. Step 1. Locate the small sensor on the discharge line near compressor. Step 2. Disconnect sensor wire and test resistance with a multimeter. Step 3. Compare reading with manufacturer chart. Open or shorted means it's bad. Step 4. Replace sensor if faulty, then reset AC. Fix 4. Inspect refrigerant flow and levels. Step 1. Look for visible pipe kinks, dents, or clogs in piping. Step 2. Low refrigerant causes high discharge temp, F3. Step 3. If pipes are fine but low refrigerant suspected, contact a certified HVAC technician to find leaks and recharge. Fix 5. Check connections and circuitry. Step 1. Turn off power outlet. Step 2. Inspect sensor wiring and connector for corrosion or looseness at outdoor PCB. Step 3. Reconnect firmly or replace damaged wiring connectors.